137 Timber Lane, you're going to fall in love with this spectacular custom home, which is located on a huge private lot at the end of a quiet cul de sac, all within close walking distance to downtown Thornbury, Georgian Bay in the Georgian Trail system. This stunning farmhouse style home offers 6 bedrooms, including a luxurious main floor primary suite, and would make for the perfect family home.